Hi folks, this is Chef Kazi, and today, Saturday, I'm in home. I have to make lunch. Before I reveal what I'm going to cook today the day start with a Guyanese breakfast. My wife, she prepared the salt fish, mackerel fish, halwa, and eggs, Guyanese bake. That's been fry dough, okay? And now I have some meat, ground beef, so I'm going to make meat sauce, and I'm going to boil some spaghetti. So breakfast start with a Guyanese style, and lunch will be Italian. This will be pure Sicilian style, okay? So let's begin. So here you go. This is the Guyanese. So this is the Guyanese bake. Okay, the fried dough, And look at this here. This was the salt fish. This one, the mackerel. Some fried potato, eggs, and halwa. And now I'm going to do is the ground beef. So I'm going to make meat sauce and spaghettini, Reggiano cheese. I'm going to boil pasta here, and here will be meat sauce. Some regular olive oil, and salt. This will be for pasta. Always use the olive oil. I got few bay leaves and cinnamon stick. Approximately 1 tablespoon of crusted garlic. The ground beef. Water is boiling. So I adding 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And make my life easy, I'm using ready-made tomato sauce. You could make with a fresh tomato if you have enough time. One teaspoon of black powder, black pepper, dry basil, 1 tablespoon, and salt 1 tablespoon. Folks, this pasta is cooked al dente. I didn't cook 100%. It's like you can feel it al dente. Yeah. Now, pasta is boiled, but I learned things, the trick from one Greek yaya. Only Greeks knows what I mean, Greek yaya. That's my great grandmother. She told me, son, pasta need to marinate. So how you can marinate the pasta? Let me show you. Again, olive oil, more garlic and olive oil. So I put olive oil and garlic. If you have a fresh basil, it's better. I don't have fresh. So let's use the dry one. Some black pepper. That's it. Now we mix them up. So I prefer to go in this pot so I can mix it easily. Also, I learned when I was apprenticeship 40 years ago, I guess, or maybe more longer. Never put the cold water on your boiled pasta. No cold water on pasta, okay, buddy? Excellent, man. So here you go. Perfect, everything. Beautiful, isn't it? Some chili flake. Parmigiana. Let me tell you how is the taste. Oh. The best of the best, my friend. The best of the best. Hello, Italiano. My friend, I'm eating pasta, okay? So, hi to all my Italian friend and pasta lover in the world. So if you guys like this video, please support me by subscribing this video. If you didn't subscribe yet, hit the like button, press the bell button, and you can share the video. I have no copyright. If anybody want to share it, use it for your own purpose. I have no problem with that. Okay? So enjoy your pasta. Have a wonderful day.